Welcome Bikeride Society. Today we're taking a look at the 2026 Yamaha YBR 125, a bike that continues to dominate the 125 cubic centimeters commuter category with reliability, comfort, and modern styling. Let's explore what makes the 2026 model stand out for daily riders. Design and styling. The 2026 Yamaha YBR 125 keeps its muscular and practical design while adding subtle modern touches. The fuel tank graphics are sharper and the body panels feel more refined. The comfortable seat and upright riding position make it ideal for both city commutes and longer rides. Engine and performance. The bike is powered by a 125 cubic centimeters air-cooled, four-stroke engine known for its smooth and reliable performance. It delivers balanced power suitable for city traffic and moderate highway riding. The 5-speed transmission ensures smooth gear shifts and efficient power delivery. Fuel efficiency. One of the biggest reasons riders choose the YBR 125 is its fuel economy. The 2026 model continues this tradition, offering excellent mileage that makes it a practical option for daily commuters and students. Comfort and ride quality. Yamaha focuses heavily on rider comfort with the YBR series. The suspension setup provides a smooth ride even on rough roads. The seat cushioning and relaxed handlebar position reduce fatigue during longer journeys. Features and technology. The 2026 YBR 125 comes with an easy-to-read speedometer, durable alloy components, and improved build quality. Yamaha's reputation for reliability and low maintenance remains one of the bike's strongest advantages. Price and value. In the 125 cubic centimeters category, the YBR 125 continues to offer a strong balance between price, durability, and performance. For riders looking for a dependable commuter with Yamaha's trusted engineering, this bike remains a solid choice. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YBR 125 proves that simple, reliable commuter bikes still have strong demand. With comfortable ergonomics, efficient performance, and Yamaha's trusted build quality, it remains a popular option for everyday riders. Stay tuned to Bikeride Society for more motorcycle reviews and updates.